this just like sudden like burst of excitement. So I was like, hey, you know, video, YouTube, a camera. Genius idea popped in my head. Hey, you know what? Let's show a little something about yourself to the tube. So I am going to show you and play you the ringtones on my phone for when certain people call me. And I have no makeup on, so you should be extra proud of me. There is something on my tooth, and I hope it does not show throughout the whole video. That would suck. This is in random order, so I'm just going to go down the list, and they're not even in order. So this is what plays when I have an alarm. This is what plays when I have to wake up for school. This is my regular ringtone. Let's see, what else do we have here? I think this is one of the ringtones that plays for my friends.
Your best friend is calling.
See, what else do we have here? We have, let's see, this is what plays when my other friends call. This was an old ringtone. It's not even there. Let's see. So I had to change it. And let's see. Where's the new ringtone for my best friend ever? You guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, that is just so, whoa, why? Let me just find it. This was my old ringtone.
Spider Pig does whatever a Spider Pig does. Can he swing from a web? No, he can't. He's a pig. Look out, he is a Spider Pig.
Let's see, let me just keep scrolling. This is a lot. I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, why do you have so much? But you know, I really need it. This is what plays my mom calls. Plays when my brother calls.
Phone call from your brother. Whee! I love phone calls. Phone call from your brother. Let's get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Oh, this is what plays when I get a text. This is what plays when my grandma calls.
Pick up your phone, it's your grandma calling. Pick up your phone, it's your grandma calling. Pick up your phone, it's your grandma calling. And I just want to say I love my babies today.
This is what plays when the house calls.
Excuse me, boss, there's a call from your phone.
This is my mom's old ringtone.
Oh no, it's your mom calling. What does she want? What does she want?
This is what plays when my dad calls. Because we went to the Scorpions concert together. I have some other little things in here. Oh, this is kind of what my ringtone is. Let's see. Oh, this is what plays when there's something funny. And this is just put that in there. Oh, maybe this. I feel so bad.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer. Walking home.
Sister calls.
Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new.
This is a random ringtone.